Oh, we just finished our food.
Yeah, can we play a video game now?
Well, since you completed your homework and ate all your food, I grant you 5 minutes of video game privileges.
5 minutes? We can't even turn it on by then.
Nora let us play for like an hour.
Don't make me change my mind.
Man, just give us the keys.
I'm surprised the dude didn't try looking for the beans before he actually granted them the keys. I'm the grumpy old troll who's under the bridge.
Don't slow down.
What the heck, bro? He is running around making weird noises like a goblin.